How to be a domain registrar. The Internet assigned numbers authority functions. In the beginning, one person only was recording the name and number in America for the American military. His name was John Postel. After some time, he need to maintain record of so many numbers and words and domain, so his work transferred to ICANN. Transition of NTIA stewardship. Track 1. Transition of US government stewardship of IANA functions to ICANN. Track 2. Strengthen ICANN accountability. Track 3. Maintenance security and stability of implementation of the root zone updates. Track 4. Strengthen bilateral relationship with policy bodies. ICNS technical missions. Coordinating allocation of Internet unique identifiers. Coordinating and facilitating SSR and policy of these systems. Collaboration in technical protocol development. Maintaining and operating LRoot as a steward. Managing ICANN's operations and internal systems. Public information of these functions for the greater Internet community. ICANN organization chart. ICANN board of directors. Office of the ombudsman. Executive assistant, office of the president, general counsel. Office of the president, general manager IANA, general manager public participation, general manager global partnerships. Vice president supporting organizations and committee support. Vice president business operations. Managers IANA operations. Managers public participation and outreach. ALAC support public forums and outreach. Web structure and design. Corporate communications. Manage relations with community level, local Internet communities and related bodies. Manages internal stakeholders communications, board support technical community liaison and support. GNSO liaison and support. CCNSD liaisons and support. Attends on behalf of the president where requested. Manages GTLD registrar operations, meeting management, office infrastructure, human resources, finance, administration, systems for internal management. Manages root server operations, TLD operations, strategic IT advice, webmaster office technical support, ICANN registry, in registrar, Cloudflare rate to rate domain, Porkbun, Dynadot, Purnia.acdp.in, Katihar.acdp.in, Katihar.ccccdra.com. Domain name Law and Regulatory Authority, domain name registry, domain name registrar, accredited registrars, registrations, DNS, A record, traffic of website, web hosting, MX record, traffic of email hosting. For the best domain name registrar, I have reached more than 17 companies and then shortlisted 10 of them to include in my video. I have tested all of them and then on the basis of various factors I have shortlisted them. Factors like pricing, free WHOIS, WHOIS, guard support, renewal price, user interface, expiry date, etc. At the end of this video I have answered all your domain name related questions. Best domain name provider in India, cheapest domain name provider, best domain name provider for 2020, best domain name with Indian payment options, best domain name registrar support, best user interface for domain name registrar, best app to buy domain names, GoDaddy, Domain.com, BigRock, Hostinger, Cloudflare, Google Domains, Namesilo, Porkbun, Dynadot, Namecheap. My recommendations: best overall domain name registrar, best domain name registrar in budget, cheapest renewal, best support, Hindi call support for UPI payment, Google Domains, Namesilo, Porkbun, Dynadot, Namecheap. My recommendations: best overall domain name registrar, best domain name registrar in budget, cheapest renewal, best support, Hindi call support for UPI payment, for discounts on domain, best upcoming domain registrar, best app, best interface, companies that upsell a lot, top level domain .com, .net, info.org, who wholesaler registry fee, 7.85 $, $9.77, $10.84, $9.93. ICANN fee 0.18 $, $0.18, $0.18. Cloudflare fee $0.000, $0.000, $0.000. Your account cost $8.03, $9.95, $11.02, $10.11. It means Cloudflare is not charging anything. He is giving domain name, price, rate to rate, prices taken by ICANN only. Domain ownership, domain dispute resolution process, domain for business email. Uniform Domain Name Dispute Resolution Policy UDRP, 2 billion domain names. There are billions of domains, .com, .in, .uk, whatever. Top level domains, TLD, these called top level domain, TLD. Each TLD has its registry, like .com has Verigene, Verisign, org, PIR, info, affiliates, .in, Nixie, .uk, nominated by UK, vice versa. Each registry has its server, TLD server. Each registry has its server, .com server, .in server, UK server. Logic Boxes is the consultancy organization help to get accreditation of ICANN. Logic Boxes demystifying ICANN accreditation. ICANN accreditation. Problems reseller have to deal with: 1. Reseller pay higher than a base cost for domains. 2. Resellers may have a lesser recognition in the market. 3. Reseller access to registry market development funds is highly dependent on registrars and their reach. Have you considered getting ICANN accredited? Is it for me? Domain registration providers, web hosting offering domain names, web professionals, domainers, intellectual property organizations, ISPs and telcos. How feasible is it? The ICANN accreditation process can slow down your business pace due to incomplete application, multiple interpreting ICANN policies and shortage of resources. In short, heavy investment is required in terms of time, effort, money. It's too expensive. Non-refundable application fee $3,500, yearly accreditation fee $4,000, quarterly variable fee. Legal steps: 1. Plan your business. 2. Form a legal entity. 3. Register for taxes. 4. Open business account. 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. How to create your own server at home for web hosting. Choose your hardware. Choose your operating system, Linux or Windows. Is your connection suited for hosting? We have selected Linux. Is your connection suited for hosting? Set up and configure your server, set up your domain name and check it works. Know how to create your own server at home for web hosting the right way. How to set up server for web hosting in India. Description intro. Namecheap, EasyWP, BigRock, Hostinger, Bluehost, A2 Hosting, Fast Comment, ChemiCloud, SiteGround, Cloudways. My recommendations: which hosting do you use properly? VPN that I recommend. Description: fastest hosting in US, best hosting for developers, best SiteGround alternative, best hosting with cPanel, budget cPanel options, free domain with hosting, migrate website for free, best hosting for small business website, VPS for developer, web hosting that I personally use, best monthly hosting, best inode count, easiest and simplest hosting for WordPress, best window hosting .NET, best hosting for HTML and PHP, best budget hosting. Description: this video will answer the following questions: best overall web hosting in India, best hosting for WordPress, best cheap hosting, best hosting for beginners, best hosting for e-commerce, best hosting for blogs, best hosting in India, best hosting support, best hosting for high traffic, best manage VPS, best site builder in shared hosting, fastest hosting in India, fastest hosting in US, best hosting for developers, best SiteGround alternative, best hosting with cPanel, top 10 best web hosting for India comprising of India web hosting providers. 1. Hostinger, best web hosting for India, HostPapa, Bluehost, Domain Racer, Hosting Raja, InMotions, A2 Hosting, HostGator, SiteGround, iPage, BigRock, GoDaddy. Conclusion: recommended reading. Best hosting in India 2021. Hostinger, best web hosting provider all around India. Bluehost, best for customer services. Hostinger, best for storage space. A2 Hosting, best overall web hosting. SiteGround, highly recommended with good budget. HostPapa, reliable, best and low cost hosting company. iPage, cheap web hosting India. InMotion, best host for tech heavy websites. GreenGeeks, eco web host. GoDaddy for small businesses. Best web hosting India. 1. Hostinger, best cheapest host with premium speed. HostPapa, good value web host with great support. A2 Hosting, best unlimited web hosting. GreenGeeks, best eco-friendly web hosting. Bluehost, best overall value for bloggers. GoDaddy India, largest internal hosting. BigRock, best local web hosting. Beginner's Guide to participating in ICANN introduction. Welcome to volunteers community of the Internet Corporation for assigned name and numbers. ICANN is an international and not for profit organization that brings together individuals, industry, non-commercial and government representatives to discuss, debate and develop policies about the technical coordinations of the internet's domain name systems. This beginner's guide is designed to provide you with the tools and resources you need to be an effective participant in ICANN's community-based policy making process. Table of contents. What is ICANN? How ICANN organized? What happened at an ICANN meeting? Newcomers program at ICANN meetings. Public comment periods at ICANN board of directors. Supporting organizations. Address supporting organizations, country code, names supporting organizations, list of members, CC TLDs as of 1st August 2012, generic name supporting organizations, advisory committee at large, advisory committee, government advisory committee, root server system advisory committee, security and Stability Advisory Committee. ICANN staff, ombudsman, quick tips, engagement tools. What you will find at ICANN.org and my ICANN.org glossary, acronym list. What is ICANN? ICANN is a non-profit public benefit organization formed in 1998. Its staff operates the internet domain name system, coordinate allocations and assign of the internet's unique identifiers such as internet protocol address, accredited generic top level domain, GTLD name registrars, and help facilitates the voice of volunteers worldwide who are decided to keeping the internet secure, stable and interoperable. ICANN promotes competition in the domain name space and helps develop internet policy. How is ICANN organized? How can I involve my opinion? How can I voice my opinions? Board of Directors, President and CEO, ICANN staff, Ombudsman, CAG, Government Advisory Committee, non-voting, IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force, non-voting, TLG, Technical Liaison Group, non-voting, RSSAC, Root Server System Advisory Committee, non-voting, SSSAC, Security and Stability Advisory Committee, non-voting. At large, Internet Users at Large Advisory Committee in conjunction with RALOS, ALAC, ICANN Multi-Stakeholder Model Nominating Committee per ICANN Bylaws Article 7 Section 2 C CCNSO, CCTLD, registrars.us.uk.au.e.b.nl, etc. Regional internal registrars: AFRINIC, APNIC, ARINIC, ARIN, LACNIC, RIPINS, RIPE, and NCC. ASO, JNSO, GTLD registrars, IP interests, ISPs, businesses, non-commercial interest, not for profit organization concerns, GNSO. What happens at ICANN meeting? Newcomers program at ICANN meeting. Newcomers Sunday track, newcomers lodge public comments period at ICANN. ICANN board of directors, supporting organizations, address supporting organizations. What is the address supporting organizations? The 5 RIRs are: what is the ASO address council? Who is also address council chosen? How can I get involved in the ASO? Address supporting organization: African Network Information Center, AFNIC; Asia Pacific Network Information Center, APNIC; American Registry for Internet Numbers, ARPANET; Latin American and Caribbean Internet Address Registry, LACNIC; RESOX; IP Europeans, RIP, NCC. Country code name support organizations: what is the country code name support organizations? CCNSO. What is CCNSO council? What is this CCNSO council? Who is the CCNSO council chosen? How can I get involved in CCNSO? Where can I find more information about the CCNSO? List of members CTLD as of 1st August 2012. Generic name support organization. What is the Greek name support organization? What stakeholders groups within the GNSO? Commercial stakeholder groups, non-commercial stakeholder groups, registered stakeholder group, GTLD registrar stakeholder group. What is the GNSO council? How are the members of GNSO council chosen? Structure of GNSO Council, NCA, ALAC, CCNSO, stakeholders groups, registrars, NCA, contracted parties house, non-contracted parties house, voting, non-voting, commercial constituencies, non-commercial constituencies. How can I get involved in GNSO? GNSO stakeholder groups and constituencies. Advisory committees, joint constituency or a stakeholder group is the most common way to get involved in GNSO. Advisory committees, at large advisory committee. What is the at large advisory committee? Following are the 5 RAL laws. How are the members of ALAC chosen? How can I get involved in ALAC? How does ALAC get involved in ICANS policy making process? How can I find more information about ALAC and the at large community? Government advisory committee. What is the government advisory committee? Ombudsman. What is ombudsman? What is ombudsman does? Powers of the ombudsman. How do I contact to ombudsman? Quick tips, engagement tools. What you will find at ICANN.org and myICANN.org. Glossary. Acronym list. Advisory committee. AFRALO, AFRINIC, ALAC, ALS, AOC, APNIC, applicant support, ARALO, ARIN, American Registry for Internet Numbers, Asia Pacific Regional at Large Organization, Asia Pacific Network Information Center, affirmations of commitments, ASO, Address Supporting Organizations, ATRT, Accountability and Transparency Review Team, at large or the at large community. B, C, D, E, F, G, Jig, R, S, T, U, T, U, UDRP, Uniform Dispute Resolution Policy, URL, Uniform Resource Locator, URS, Uniform Rapid Suspension, W3C, World Wide Web Consortium with WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, WHOIS, WG Working Group. One World, One Internet, about ICANN. We have not read this document completely. Wherever you want to read, you can stop your video and read as per your requirement. We have read the brochure and documents of ICANN. This is ICANN org. We will just watch what are there in these websites. get started, beginners guide, newcomers program, fellowship program, history, news and media, announcement, blog for journalists, global newsletters, legislative regulatory reports, multimedia regional reports, policy, ICANN policy, develop policy, implement policy, policy update, participate, team, public comment, open, recently closed, upcoming, archives, resources, board, accountability and transparency, registrar, registry, operations, domain name, registrants, contractual compliance, complaints office, privacy, proxy service, health, carriers, community groups, calendars, IANA, stewardship and accountability, fact sheet, IANA, stewardship, transitions, enhance ICANN, accountability, implementation, customer standing committee, root zone, evaluation review committee. How to become registrar? The details are given here. How to become a registrar? This is .in registrar. Registry.in. On these websites anyone can become registrar of .in domain, top level domain, TLDs. NIXI will provide auth code for transfer request within 24 hours on any working day. NIXI this is registry.in. Here is the list of registrar registered with .in registry. First year .in selling price, second year .in selling price, their email address, phone number. there are 134 registrar on the day of making this video. Become a registrar. Step 1, apply. How you can apply? Details are given here. You need to submit 75,000 in the beginning of starting process of becoming registrar. Now legal qualifications. Authorized access form .in accreditation agreement PDF .in access agreement PDF terms and condition for registrants. Technical qualification. These are the technical qualification. Fund your account. Fourth is fund your account. In step 4, you must fund your account with Nixi. Nixi will send you the payment and wire transfer instructions. You may complete steps 3 and 4 in parallel. Your initial payment must be at least 75,000. Raise 50,000 of this is your one-time accreditation fee. The accreditation fee is non-refundable. The other raise 25,000 or more will serve you your initial deposit account funding. As you are making registrants, they will be funded out of this money. Once you have passed your OT and E test and have successfully funded your account, you will be fully accredited. You will receive confirmation by email, and your username and password to the registry system will be faxed to your designation administrative contact. So by following this process, you will become registrar of .in registry. Till now there are 134 registrars, .in registrars are there. how to start your own web hosting company, define your goals, curve out नीचे, choose a hosting partner, establish the back-end processes, compare types of reseller hosting, basic reseller hosting, advanced reseller hosting, GoDaddy reseller hosting has everything you need. Automate time consuming tasks, resell high performance hosting to your customers. Katamaje.com, reasons you should start hosting business, control panel for hosting providers, website for web hosting, web hosting software, web hosting control panels, cPanel, Flask, Direct Admin, Interbox, domain name registrars, unless you want to become a domain name registrant, it's time to find another partner. This time we need a registrar that registered and transfer domain for you. It is worth to say that most providers are not registered themselves due to the high cost involved. As a reference, to become a registrar of .it domain, one must pay one of initial 2.2 euro plus VAT, pay accreditation 300 euro plus VAT, deposit 4 euro plus VAT, pass an accreditation test and sign a very rigorous contract. That's not only expensive but also complicated. As if it wasn't enough, you should go into similar process for all other TLDs. Now that it's clear that accrediting as a registrar is not viable options, let's go back to finding a partner. In essence, we are talking about becoming domain reseller of another registrars. Before you start doing into this topic, ask yourself if you value each of us over high income. Let's see if we can make some sense out of these statements. TLD dot it, internet nets.com, Namecheap, .net, enom.org, Haxonet, auto registration. As you can see from the above image, WHMC allow to use multiple registrants in the same time. This way each TLDs can be sent to us, the registrants that grants you higher profit. For example, you could register .com and .net and X, .it and Y and so on. That said, if you choose this approach, there are some downside to consider. InMotionHosting.com. Start your own hosting business. A reseller guide to success. Partner with popular hosts. Seek out the tools for success. Unlimited cPanel license, free WHMC installations, easy white label services, free website or cPanel migrations, dedicated IP address, custom name servers, domain name reseller account, soft cloud installations, scripts, high performance solid state drives, automatic backups, flexible email configurations, strong security platforms. Do your homework, understand the business and set the right price. Do your homework, understand the business and set the right price. Find your niche, capitalize on your expertise to create opportunities. Support your customers, serve your clients' technical and account management needs. Step up your marketing, learn about SEO and leverage keyword research. Thoughts on starting your own hosting business, a reseller guide to success. cPanel account Rise, cPanel Solo $15 monthly, Admin $22 monthly, Pro $32 monthly, Premier $48 monthly. Cloud licenses, meta licenses, need dedicated help, cPanel certified partner, Cloud Linux, kernel care, light speed web server, jet backup, WHMCS, Immunify 360, WordPress Toolkit Deluxe for cPanel, SSL certificates, cPanel.net pricing, site uptime, how to create your own server at home for web hosting, how to create your own server at home for web hosting. So you want to set up your website, but you don't want to pay for web hosting. If you got a good enough internet connection and the hardware to spare, why not do it yourself with your own home server? Not only can it save you money on hosting cost, but it can also give you far more choice to decide on the software your server can run. Let's run through how to create your own server at home for web hosting. Choose your hardware. If you are planning on hosting a website, the first stage of knowing how to build a website server is choosing hardware capable of hosting it. Consider your potential users requirements first. How many users do you expect to server? Will you need a lot of storage space or processing power? The good news is that if your budget is limited or non-existent, you don't necessarily have to purchase any additional equipment. An old PC may adequately run the software you need for your web server. Beware, however, the power requirement that an old PC might need, especially if you are planning on running your server for 24 hours a day. Choose your operating system, Linux or Windows. With hardware in place, your next choice when deciding how to build a server for your website is choosing your operating system. You have two realistic choices to choose from: Microsoft Windows or Linux. It's estimated that nearly 70% of servers on the web currently run Linux. The reason why can vary, but cost consideration and the ease in which these servers can be customized play a big part. If you would rather run a Windows web server, you will need to pay for a Windows license. Linux, by comparison, is free and open source and can be more customizable than a typical Windows server installation would be. Linux servers are also a more resource option with far fewer malware opportunities for hackers and exploit. That doesn't mean they invisible. However, much will depend on keeping your software up to date and your server properly configured, regardless of which operating system you choose to use. Is your connection suitable for hosting? DIY web hosting requires an internet connection that's suitable for web traffic. Your download and upload speeds are important here. Residential internet connection may offer a high download speed but a low upload speed. How fast you can upload your website data to each user who visits your site will depend on this speed. The number of users who can access your site at the same time will have to share this connection too. Test your internet connection using speed testing tools like this one to determine your current speeds. You should also confirm with your ISP whether you have any data limits on your connections. If your ISP caps your data usage or throttles it back if the usage is too much, you may need to look at changing your provider. Set up and configure your server. With your hardware connections and operating system ready, you will need to set up the software you need to host your site. This will depend on the operating system you choose for your server. Windows Server installation can install IIS, the web server add-on. The Microsoft support documentation of IIS give you step-by-step instructions on what to do. If you decide to go for Linux, Apache, Lite TPD or NGINX are three options for you to install. Apache is the most well known and you can find out how to install it here. You can also install Apache on a typical Windows installation too. You may need to open up ports on your home router and firewall to allow you web traffic to pass back and forth from your web server. Port 80 and 443 are the most essential for web traffic, so be sure these aren't blocked. If you need help in opening up ports on your router, this guide should help you to get started. Once the server is set up and configured for web traffic, click it works by visiting your server on the web browser. Most servers will come with test page that will display once it's loaded. You can replace this with your website files afterward. You will need to get grips with the best tools to configure and maintain your web servers. Here are some suggested tools for system administrators that you should look to make use of. Set up your domain name and check it works. Once your server is configured for access from users on this internet, your final step is setting up domain name to allow users to find you. Before you do, users will only be able to visit your site by typing in your web server's internal IP address, router, then a series of number. You want an easy to remember address of your user to type in. You will need to purchase a domain name from a domain registrar, but you can register for a free subdomain from the service like NoIP if you would prefer. With the domain or subdomain available to you, you will then need to set up relevant DNS entries for your domain to point to your server IP address. Your registrar will have their own instructions on how to do this. After a few hours to allow the changes to take effect, your server should be ready. Know how to create your own server at home for web hosting the right way. Knowing how to create your own server at home for web hosting means you are ready to take control. It can be cost effective way to host your site, with the added bonus that your data remains in your hand, not in hands of an off-site hosting provider. You don't have to worry about the type of website you host on your server either. Want to run a basic HTML page or complex CMS like WordPress? You will be able to run either, as long as you configure your server correctly. If you are DIY hosting your website, use our web monitoring tool to keep an eye on your website uptime day or night. Register today for a free account to get started. Siteuptime.com. 5 steps to starting your own hosting business. Three reasons to start hosting business. 1. It's easy. 2. Additional revenue. 3. Greater upsell for digital forms. How to start your hosting business in 5 easy steps. 1. Find your niche. Research competitors. Choose your server type. Dedicated server, dedicated cloud server, VPS, cloud server. 4. Create business model. Branding, pricing plan, website design. 5. Launch customer service and support. You are ready to resell hosting. Start reselling hosting today. Reseller club. What you will need to start building a server, a computer, a broadband network connection, a network router with Ethernet cable, a monitor and keyboard. Step 1, acquire a computer. Step 2, internet connection. The router, the monitor and keyboard. What operating system to use on your server? Going Pro. How to geek. How to start your own game server. Dedicated versus shared hosting. Shared hosting options. Gameserver.com, low.ms, Nodescraft. Dedicated hosting options. OVH, Gameserver.com, Amazon Web Services. Setting up a dedicated server. ReliableSite.net. Start web hosting company, dedicated server hosting. 5 steps to start a web hosting. Step 1, define your web hosting brand. Step 2, find a dedicated server partner. Step 3, set up your website billing system and support channels. Step 4, find web hosting clients. Step 5, grow and expand. I am willing to start an IT server business. What can I do to make it successful? What are the most important things need to make it success? webhostingergeeks.com. Start web hosting company. Learn how to start your own hosting business and make money online. Introduction. First, definitions. Know the market. Number of companies each country hosts: UK 2110, Canada 2009, USA 16,382, India 917, Australia 878, Germany 2176, Netherlands 1512, UK 2110, France 906, Spain 1217. CISindia.org. The Center for Internet and Society. Center for Internet and Society. Internet privacy in India. The changing nature of information. CIS.India.org. The blurry line between the public and private spheres. The complication of jurisdiction. Current policy for internet privacy in India. The Information Technology Act ITA 2000, online data protection, cyber cafes, online surveillance and access, scope of surveillance and access, future frameworks for privacy in India, the report of the group of experts on privacy, Principle 1 notice, Principle 2 choice and consent, Principle 3, collection limitation. Principle 4, purpose limitation. Principle 5, access and correction. Principle 6, disclosure of information. Principle 7, security. Principle 8, openness. Principle 9, accountability. Public discourse on privacy. The unique identification project. The human DNA profiling bill. Surveillance, a privacy legislation for India. Conclusion. Please help us define citizens and user rights on internet. Regulatory overview. Information Technology Act 2000 ITA, Payment and Settlement System Act 2007 PSSA, Consumer Protection Act 1986 CPA, Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 FEMA, Contract and Sale of Goods Laws, other relevant regulations, setting up a business online, running a business online, electronic contracts, e-signatures, applicable legislation, definition of e-signatures, format of e-signatures, implications of running a business online, cyber security, privacy protection, data protection, Information Technology Act 2000 ITA, other laws, linking, domain names, restrictions, procedure, jurisdiction and governing law, advertising, marketing, spam email, text messages, tax, income tax, value added tax, VAT, central sale tax, proposed goods and services tax, GST, protecting an online business liability for content online, insurance reform, online resources, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, Department of Revenue, Government of India, National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Young Persons National Commission for Women, Delhi Government website, Government of Karnataka Drugs Control Department, segregate cigarettes and other tobacco products, prohibited of advertisement and regulation of trade and commerce, Production, Supply and Distribution Act 2003, Union Government of India, Gazette of India, Information and Technology Act 2000 ITA, Reserve Bank of India, Department of Electronics and Information and Technology, Advertising Standard Council of India, Contributor Profile, Khaitan and Co. Digital Business in India Overview, Regulatory Overview, Information Technology Act 2000 ITA, Payment and Settlement System Act 2007 PSSA, Consumer Protection Act 1986 CPA, Foreign Exchange Management Act 1999 FEMA, Contract and Sales of Goods Laws, the Indian Contract Act 1872 ICA, the Sales and Goods Act 1930 SGA, Indian Evidence Act 1872 IEA, other relevant regulations. Typically, online business initially can expect to execute contracts with following parties: domain name providers, web developers, vendors, service providers, payment gateway providers, logistics partner, customers, subscribers, marketplace platform providers. Indian Contract Act 1872 ICA, Information Technology Act 2000 ITA, Sales and Goods Act 1930 SGA, Specific Relief Act 1963 SRA. Implication of running business in India: cyber security, privacy protection, data protection. Payment and Settlement System Act 2007 PASA. Copyright Act 1957 CA, Trademarks Act 1999 TMA, there are regulatory authority, laws and rules and regulations to regulate all things as per laws. Consumer Protection Act 1986 CPA, Young Person Harmful Publications Act 1956, Indecent Representations of Women Prohibition Act 1986, Emblems and Names Prevention of Improper Use Act 1950, Drug and Magic Remedies Objectionable Advertisement Act 1954, Segregates and Other Tobacco Products Prohibition of Advertisement and Regulation of Trade and Commerce, Production, Supply and Distribution Act 2003. I am not reading completely, because if I read all these things, this video will become so long. I am just showing important information. Whatever information is important for you, you can stop video and read yourself, or you can take a topic or heading from here and you can search on internet, YouTube and other place and take complete information of that. You can just get idea of type of information. There are various acts and regulations, act, rules and regulations related to tax, income tax, value added tax, VAT, central sale tax, proposed goods and services tax, GST, protecting an online business's liberty for content online. 36. What laws govern liberty for websites content? This is very important article published by United Kingdom, UK, practical law dot thomsonreuters.com, insurance. Now you have learned how you can search your required information